Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get verified creator profile on TikTok. So to do that, guys, there is some requirements to verify or to get the TikTok verification. You need to have an active account and also to complete profile notability, and you need to secure accounts. And also, to be honest with you guys, you need to be in a specific countries, because some countries doesn't allow you to verify your TikTok account, and that's actually sad because on my country I can't activate or verify my accounts on TikTok. So right here I'm about to show you how you can do that. So first what I want to do is to open up or to launch your app TikTok, and then I want to head over into your profile just from this angle, bottom right, and after that I want to go into this 3 points right here and tap on a settings and privacy, the last option. And after that what I want to do is to go into account. Alright, so once you get here you will have an option that I don't have. It's verification. So once you will tap on verification, you will tap start. Alright, and then you will follow the steps. I'm gonna come back to you guys with my laptop. So as you can see here, guys, what I told you is to this is the TikTok platform. So what you are going to do is to tap on this 3 lines as I told you after you go into your profile. Sorry. And after that, settings and privacy, I showed you the steps, and then accounts. Alright, so you will have the verification of course on your phone. Alright, and after you tap on verification you need to tap on start, and after that, if you have a business account you can only apply for a business verification, it says. And also if you have personal accounts you can apply for personal or institutional verification. And it says if you registered as a government, politician, or political party account, GPPPA, you can only apply for institutional verification. Anyways, this is how you can do it. It's very simple. You don't need to pay anything for the TikTok, and that's it. That's how you can do that. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.